In order to become a consistently profitable trader, you need two things: an edge in the market and good money management. Here at the Mountainair Trading Group, we have developed a simple but effective trading strategy. Using the MTG strategy with our unique money management plan, you can jumpstart your career as a professional crypto futures trader and finally achieve financial independence. If you're looking to become a professional trader, the Mountainair Trading Strategy is the most consistently profitable strategy we have ever used, and it's finally being made available to the public. Here's a quick demonstration of how insanely profitable the MTG strategy really is. We use that line as a stop loss. We're in our first position. Immediately in profit. We're going to move our stop loss up to lock in some profit there. Okay, so I'm going to scale into a second position. Since our first position already has profit locked in, we're going to move our stop loss up. And I'm going to scale into a third position. Move our stop loss up. So now we have three positions open, all of them are in profit. We're going to scale into a fourth position. Move our stop loss up. So now we have four positions open, all of them are in profit now. We're going to scale into a fifth position. Move our stop loss up. All five of those positions are now in profit. Now they all have locked in profit. Let's scale into another position. This will make 6. Move our stop loss up. Alright, now we've been stopped out of all of our positions. First, the last one here is a -1, so I'll change that color since that one's a loss. And we'll mark on here how much profit each one of these are. That one's 1.42%. This one, 1.01. $3.98. $3.84. And 11.04. So just in that little run right there, it's 20.29%. All right, let's keep going. Okay, looks like we have another entry signal here. The setup's been invalidated. Another entry signal. Tagged into the trade to mark our stop loss. Let's move our stop loss up to lock in some profit. Got another entry signal. We're going to scale into our second position since our first one is profit locked in. Let's move our stop loss up. Got another entry position, entry signal. Scale into our third position. That one's invalidated. Okay, let's move our stop loss up. Another entry signal. Move our stop loss up. So now we have three trades or three positions open. Let's move our stop loss up some more, lock in some profit. And stopped out. So let's see what we would have made on this run here. So that one's plus 0.24%. Plus 2.24%. Plus 10.82%. So let's see what we got in total for this run. 10.82, 2.24, 13.3%. So 13.3 plus 20.29. 33.59%. So if you're interested in learning the MTG strategy, you're going to want to check out our Discord community of professional and aspiring traders. Don't forget to ask about our 7-day free trial. We'll see you there.